So this little thing caught my eye, and I had to pick it up and check it out. It is the Wuben G5 Easy Carry Light. Basically a small EDC flashlight. This thing's about the size of a Zippo lighter. So let's take a look at it. It's got some specs on the back, different lumens, different modes. Gives you a little rundown of it. $24.99. Really nice packaging too, let me just say. Okay, it's got a little charging cord, looks like a lanyard. It's got your instructions. Let's take a look at the actual light. Oh, this is interesting. I mean, literally, it's the size of a Zippo, if not a little smaller, actually. So the light pivots and adjusts. Okay. It's got a pocket clip on there. Let's see if we can get in there and show what it really looks like. So you can face it straight forward, or you can clip it on your shirt chest pocket and have it facing forward, or like maybe a strap for a backpack. There's your charger port. Let's see. Okay. So there's a lockout, charger port, battery mode. So let's take a look at it. Okay, we got a green light. Oh, wow, that's pretty cool. You can change your different ones. There's your button to turn it on and off. You got a flashing mode. Let me see here. Oh, that is bright, bright. Wow. For 25 bucks, this is pretty cool, let me just say. And you can adjust, that's your dimmer switch. Yeah, I like this. This is really cool. Yeah, Wuben G5. Definitely give it a look. Oh, hold on a second. And the pocket clip's adjustable. Did y'all see that? It just flicked out of place. And I think, yep, it's got a magnetic butt cap so you can stick it to stuff. Definitely give the Wuben G5 a look. This thing is cool. I'm going to have to get some use and do a follow-up video on it, but definitely check it out.